National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Overton County in Middle Tennessee, western Pickett County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Clay County in Middle Tennessee, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Salina, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salina, Beardstown, Wolf River Dock, and Dale Hollow Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on Dale Hollow Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm.
This one's from Louisville. For the same still.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Monroe County in south-central Kentucky, southeastern Cumberland County in south-central Kentucky, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Salina, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Litchell, Pattonsburg, Kajira, Kettle, Rainier, Frog, Green Grove, and Ashlock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.